Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to get cool letters on keyboard in Android. Adding cool letters to your Android keyboard is a fun way to make your messages stand out. You can do this by using keyboard apps that offer stylish fonts, symbols, and special characters. Most methods are simple and only take a few minutes to set up. To begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen or bottom. Type fonts keyboard or stylish text keyboard. Browse the apps that offer cool letters and symbols. Choose a trusted app with good ratings and reviews. Tap install and wait for the download to finish. Open the app after installation is complete. Follow the setup steps shown on the screen. Enable the keyboard in your phone settings, system, languages, and input. Then go to the on-screen keyboard. Set the new keyboard as your default keyboard. Then, confirm it. Go back to the app, go to keyboard section, then tap on the keyboard style you want, then tap apply. Now, restart your phone. Once done restarting, open the app again, go to the keyboard section, then tap on your chosen keyboard style, then tap switch to the app's keyboard, and confirm by choosing the app. Now open the messaging app or notes app to test it. Now it's already been changed, so to change the font, tap on the other font style to change its font style. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.